Yeah. Early morning at the swap shop, people. See it there? People them kind of mess up the swap shop because they come with this little clown thing here. Now look around and see if I see any like mint tree when I want to see in the place, you know. Everybody I walk around in a mask like them a ass. See it? What? Vervain plant, yes sir. Look at this beautiful, beautiful, luscious Vervain plant. This is the Vervain plant alive, ladies and gentlemen. Budding, flowering. Just wanted to give you a look at the Vervain live and full in action. Purple flowers, seeds, and all. Vervain. Remember, it's the Crocus bag farmer, ladies and gentlemen, just showing you this Vervain here. This is the beautiful, beautiful Vervain. This is how you identify it. Look at the leaves. Look at these are the seeds, and these are the flowers on the Vervain plant, ladies and gentlemen. Vervain. A great, great plant to have. Very good with menstrual flow, moods, swings, you know. Great, great, great tea. Remember, it's the Crocus bag farmer, ladies and gentlemen.